Hey, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a lookbook featuring 6 different styles from Lilly lashes. This is not sponsored content. This is just something that I thought would be fun to do, and so I hope you guys have just as much fun watching as I did making it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe even tell me what your favorite lashes are in the comments below.
Perfect.
Guys, so there you have it. It's all 6 pairs of lashes that I got from Lilly Lashes. Lilly Lashes as a whole is a very popular lash company. I really enjoy the quality of these lashes, the longevity, and the different styles that they offer. You can play it down or you can get something super dramatic, as you saw between like the difference between Goddess and the ones I'm wearing right now, which is MYKONOS. They cover all ends of the spectrum. They have cheaper lashes. If you're not into paying $30 for a mink, you can get a synthetic for about 15 to 20 bucks. So I think it's a pretty good investment, but of course, you know, it's just me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you catch the vibe, and continue having a great day. Keep watching for some bonus content. So I notice a lot of girls like wearing these large and uncharged lashes, but they never quite have them fit to their eye. Now of course, some styles are just too much for you to pull off, but if you do want to wear them, or you figure that there's something stabbing you and you're not sure what it is, that's what this video is for. Here I'm just sizing the falsy lash line up to my natural lash line just for precision. As you can see, there's these little tips at the end of each band that kind of poke you. Like if you don't cut these off, they can actually make your experience wearing lashes very uncomfortable. So today I'm going to show you how to take them off without ruining your lash. I'm just taking a pair of eyebrow scissors and cutting that tiny little piece off. Now of course, if you measured it up to your eye and it does not fit, what you want to do is cut off a little more. And if you notice the grooves in between each little sprocket of hair, that's what you want to cut in between so that you don't completely ruin your lash. So if possible, you know, that's the way you want to cut. So if you can see, the lash on the right is the one that's not cut, so that one will probably prick me in the inner eye, as opposed to the one on the left that I just cut, that is now made more comfortable and tailored to my eye. So that's it for this portion of the video. The scissors I'm using are from Revlon. They're eyebrow scissors and they came with the spoolie. You can find them at Walgreens or CVS. And yet again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye guys.